Hello everyone, my name is Evan, and welcome to my Hero Engine Terrain Editor Part 2 tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to cover creating a new height map for your area. As well, we will cover the stitch tool, the cut holes tool, the split height map tool, and the billboards tool. Alright, so the first thing is, there are two ways to create a height map inside of Hero Engine. Let me zoom out so you can see this. And make sure we have our transform tool selected. If you just click create height map, it will create one where your camera is. There we go. Move this down just a little bit. And this will create a preset size that is obviously the exact same size as the one that you have by default in the area. Now you'll notice that you have red lines. Obviously, as you can tell when you see these, it means you're over or on the edge of a height map, which makes it quite useful for connecting. Okay, so if you want to create, say, a really large or a specific size height map, go ahead and click this one and delete it. To the right of it, you'll see a little grid. You can click this. Now, this is quite easy to use. We'll create a height map of 128 vertices by 120 vertices, and we'll set the preferred size to 128, and we'll hit OK. And now, as you can see, we have an absolutely gigantic height map. And we can position this anywhere we'd like. We're going to get rid of that. Let's create ourselves another height map, and then let's talk about some of the other tools. Okay, the first tool we're going to talk about is the stitch tool. And this is very useful for obviously stitching two height maps together. Alright, it's very simple to use. Just select it and then just go up along the edge, and as you can see, created a nice very steep slope. And then of course you could select your smooth tool and smooth it and create a ramp going up. And we'll switch to wireframe really quick. Go to renderer, show wireframe, or hit Control W. And you can see that they're very nicely stitched together. Okay, so let's go back to our terrain panel. The next one, this is really useful, like if you're going to create a cave, obviously. As you can see down here, you left click to cut holes in the height map, and you shift click to restore the holes. And as with most tools in Hero Engine, if you hold Control, it will null and it won't do anything. Okay, the next tool is a rather interesting one. It allows you to split the height map, and you use the mouse wheel to change the orientation of it. Alright, so I'm just going to cut this right here, and select the transform tool. And as you can see, we now have three separate individual height maps, and then we could just use the stitch tool again to stitch it back together, and then we can create another ramp here. Okay. The last tool is the billboards tool, and I do believe, yes, I already have one selected. And let's click change here. See, there's only a chain link. We'll leave it at the fences. We'll assign not the fences, the trees. Now this tool is very easy to use. Oops. I'm having issues here. Sorry. Alright. So to use this tool, you have this little red cone prism thing, and then just left click drag wherever you would like it to go. then left click again, then just hit escape if you would like to, if you have it where you want it. Alright, so now we have a nice little billboard tree line up here. As well, you can adjust the height of it. You can adjust the UV a little bit to scale it. Probably best to leave it at 50. And you can adjust the brightness and the sync level, but we'll just leave that at 0. And we'll make these just a little bit taller. Okay, so now let's run around in our new little area. There we go. Okay, so that concludes this tutorial. If you have any questions, stop by the Hero Engine forums, or you can stop by my forums. As well, follow me on Twitter if you'd like to keep up to date with what I'm doing. As well, check the Facebook group. Join the Facebook group if you would also like another way to contact me. Thank you.